Nice and light and sturdy, but also 1,100 euros on your wrist. Don't lose it. Garmin introduced quite a few new products here at IFA, but there were two that were standout products for us at TTL. One is the Venue. Now this is kind of a surprising launch for me personally, because when you think Garmin, you think of rugged, you think of very sporty, outdoorsy, and the Venue is very stylish and fashionable. I think this is their answer to the Apple Watch, except it's a little bit more refined in terms of aesthetic appeal. As you can see, it's got a full AMOLED display, full touch screen, and as you scroll through, it's got the basic functions of any fitness tracker, and it's got preset activities in here. So let's say if you want to click on walk, it'll track how many steps you've taken, how long you've walked for, quite a few options, and you can add even more from there. The display is very vibrant and colorful, and the touch screen, instead of an Apple Watch where you're swiping left and right, this one you're swiping up and down. Price point at about 400 US dollars, so just a little bit cheaper than the newest Apple Watch. And on the opposite spectrum of the Venue, you've got the king of all smartwatches. This is the Phoenix 6. Check that out. This is the pinnacle of what Garmin stands for. It's rugged, it's got a huge watch face right there, and it is a very smart watch in terms of so many features. One, it's got solar powering, so it can use the sunlight to power up to 20% of your watch. It's got a full non-touch screen. We're pressing buttons here. But what's the built-in feature as you buy this watch is that it can store up to almost 2,000 songs, so you don't have to use it in partnership with your smartphone. And you can use its own GPS capabilities as a standalone watch. So it will download the map for you. You can use it as navigation and GPS. And here's a feature that I was really sold on it. So let's say you go on a trip somewhere you've never been to a brand new city, and you say, I want to get 10,000 steps in today, but I have no idea where to go. You can punch all that information in to the phone, and it will give you 3 routes that you can take as options, and you can just follow that on your phone. Now, why it's on the opposite spectrum of the Venue, other than the fact that it looks completely different, the price point. It is about 1,100 euros, just over 1,100 euros for this watch if you get the titanium version. Nice and light and sturdy, but also 1,100 euros on your wrist. Don't lose it. By the time you're watching this video, Apple has already announced their latest Apple Watch, the Apple Watch 5. So it's important to note the timing of the launch of Garmin's new watches, because they're right around the same time. Can Garmin's Venue truly be an answer to the Apple Watch? Can it be a strong competitor? Personally, for me, I think aesthetically it looks a lot more fashionable. It's quite stylish, it's sleek. It doesn't look as sporty as an Apple Watch, but could this have the functionality and have the gravitas that an Apple product does? And if this isn't the answer, can the Phoenix 6 be the answer? It's got the price point of a very expensive iPhone. It's got all the bells and whistles. It's got the titanium. Can that be a strong competitor, or can that even surpass the Apple Watch 5? I want to hear from you guys. What do you think?